We have a huge phenomena of youth emigration. It's sparked by the fact that they feel a lack of opportunities. So what we wanted to do was to empower them into creating their own opportunities. We created a project where the young participants could come up with whatever idea they had in mind, and we would train them on how to turn an idea into a project, and then coach them and mentor them through the different stages into spending a little budget and realizing their ideas. So we went from beekeeping to podcasting, theater plays, readings, really a lot of different things. We hope the long-term impact of this project and projects like this one is to tackle the lack of opportunities for young people in small, rural, isolated villages at the heart of an isolated island with one of the worst economies in Europe and highest youth unemployment, school dropout rates. These villages, they have potential. They have potential because of the natural environment. The Sardinian agriculture is like #1 biological agriculture in Italy. And then there is a lot of tourism. So potential is there. It's just that young people, especially in these areas, are brought up to think you're not capable. This is too much for you. Oh, this is impossible. Once they see that it is possible, that you can train for something and you can deliver something, it empowers them to be more active citizens and look locally for some form of future for themselves. In the long run, I'm optimistic because what I see is stronger and stronger interest in not leaving remote areas behind. That gives me hope. And then also the awareness and the self-awareness of these areas, being involved in EGL, being involved in local projects. And I think the European context is pushing a lot with meaningful tools and policies. And we have the willingness to give a future to rural youth work.